Hey guys, just got this in the mail from musician's friend. It is called an open box item because the box was opened, but it was listed as mint condition. And it is a Dunlop Crybaby original wah pedal. Everything I've read and seen on the tube there says this is what you got to have if you want to sound like Jimi Hendrix. Well, I promise you, I want to sound like Jimi Hendrix one of these days, so I bought me this. Let's see what we got here. We'll do a quick demonstration. It comes with a quick guide. Is that a sticker or a card? It looks like oh, that's a sticker. Heck yeah, I love stickers. The paperwork. So again, open box. It says the original since 1967. I wanted to get a wah pedal, maybe try to use it a little bit. So here we go. Oh, sorry to knock you in the head there. What we got here? This was shipped without a battery. Open the battery door, remove blah blah blah. That's where the battery goes if you want to use a battery, or you can use a 9-volt adapter. And so this makes a set sound effects using, it sounds like a wah wah. It'll make a wah wah sound. And there's other things you can do as well. On it there's the select. Oh, there's the selector switch right there. So when you smash down hard enough, it'll activate it and turn it on and off. So let's get this thing hooked up and see what it sounds like, guys. Stay with me. All right, guys. Well, here we got it hooked up. Got my guitar cord here. Goes to my guitar. That goes to the Fender amp you guys saw in the background a while ago. And again, my amp's on a clean channel. Okay, so let's activate this. You activate it by pushing here. I don't know if you can hear that click or not, but that button underneath that pedal clicked. I'm gonna use my left foot. Yes, I wear Crocs. So let's see what this does. See that? So you can control the motion of the chord or the note that you're playing. It like bends those notes back and forth, it sounds like. Yeah, this thing will be something to get used to, I guarantee you, because I've never used these before. Watched a few videos though. So that's just keeping a beat, which I think is gonna be the easiest way to learn how to use it. So you could like. That's just one way to do it. I guess you could do it fast. Wear my foot out. And then also, you can set the level so you have all these different ways that the note bends. So whatever, you can just leave it. This pedal will stay wherever you put it. So I can go, that's all the way up, that's all the way down. That's about, I don't know, halfway or so. If you like that kind of sound, you can just leave it there. See, it sounds a little bit different there. Or you can just turn it off. So yeah, that is cool. That's the Dunlop wah pedal. Crybaby. Original wah. So I'll be definitely utilizing that in the future. And I'm really excited about this. Like I said on previous videos, I'm kind of geeking out over these pedals and stuff. So you guys stay with me, and maybe you'll see some of these neat sound effects on these pedals. Appreciate you guys.